Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. Today we're going to be working on the classic tequila cocktail, the Margarita. This particular cocktail I have worked endlessly, trying to come up with a recipe that I feel is adequate to average up to the margaritas that you would get at a really good Mexican restaurant. And I think you all would understand what I'm saying when there's just a difference between a good margarita that you would get at an excellent Mexican restaurant compared to just a generic restaurant when you order a margarita. They're worlds apart. So I probably chewed up bottles and bottles and bottles of tequila trying to come up with a combination of flavors and different liqueurs and juices and all sorts of things to come up with something that I feel is a good presentation of the margarita cocktail. I'm going to show you today what we came up with, and I think if you try it at home you're going to love it because it's pretty darn good. Let's get started by prepping the glass. Now when I have a classic lime margarita, I love a salted rim. Now if you're not in favor of that, just don't do it. It's not a problem, but for me that's what I go with. So you're going to take a wedge of lime, you're just going to get it soaked on the inside and outside of the rim. Just make sure it's nice and coated with the lime. Now what I have done, I bought this tin of salts at my local liquor store, and it has kosher salt and it has some citrus infused salts in there too as well. But if you don't have that, not a big deal. Just get some kosher salt, put it in a small dish or a saucer, and you can use that without any issues. But once your rim is prepped with the lime, you just stick it right down inside the salt and you're good to go. Set that to the side for now and we'll get started mixing this cocktail. We're going to start out with our tequila. Today I'm using Amigos. Doesn't really matter as far as I'm concerned as your tequila choice, but whatever you do, choose 100% agave tequila. That'll make a big difference in your cocktail. So we're going to go with 1.5 ounces of tequila. That'll do. I'm going to follow that up with 1/2 ounce of lime crema. Now this bottle of lime crema comes from Tattersall. Tattersall's out of California. I'm not real familiar with a lot of their stuff, but what I do have, I've got lime crema, grapefruit crema, there's some few things, but what they do have makes for very good mixers in different cocktails. So we're going to use 1/2 ounce of their lime crema. Alright. We're going to go with 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. 1/4 ounce of agave nectar. It's going to add a little sweetness to the cocktail. Finally, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, 1:1 ratio, sugar to water, 3/4 ounce. Now, for most people that's all they would do, but for me here's the key. We're going back to our salt. I'm just going to take a tiny pinch, just a little bit. Bam. I'm going to put that in the mix. It's going to make a world of difference. Let's grab our ice and give it a good shake. Forgot my strainer. We're going to double strain this into our cocktail glass, salt rimmed. And there you have it. The classic lime margarita. Now, we're going to give this a try. It may be a little crude, but what I like to do is get me a nice little waller of that salt before I take a sip. So that's what we're going to do. That's pretty good. That, to me, that's an excellent representation to a classic margarita you'd find in any quality Mexican restaurant. Give it a try at home. I think you'll like it. Thanks for watching today. We appreciate it. Please hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That would be great. It'll help us out a lot. If you want to, you can comment below. If you have a cocktail you'd like to see me mix up, or if you'd like to have us try here at SLB, it won't be a problem. We'll give it a shot. Just let us know. You can follow us on Facebook at SLB Basement Bourbon Bar, or on Instagram at SLB Drinks. So have a great day, and please, as always, drink responsibly. See ya.